Alright guys, we're starting today's video like this because I need to share something with you. Are you ready? Hey! Can't see wheels! These are the newest sponsor to the DriftSquid team, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys these new rims. So let's get straight into it. Alright. This company is all the way from America. Packaging. God damn. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Boom! How sick are these? These are their tandem range rims, and they come in a heap of different sizes, but the best thing is the concave. Look at that. And it looks like a GDR rim, which everyone loves 34 GDR rims, so this is gonna set the Sonvia off perfectly. It's so good. Can't thank them enough for coming on board. It's definitely gonna change a lot of things, mainly the fact of having enough rear tyres or rear rims to not have to worry about changing tyres to keep up with the competition and whatever. So I've got 18 by 9s for the fronts and 18 by 10.5 for the rear. So it's going to be a bit of a stretch for the state series. So we've only got a 2-3-5 rule, but no, it's going to be good. So we're going to go get some tyres on these, chuck them on the Sonny straight away. So we're going to head to Northern Tyre Service. Oh, damn. Look at all these goodies. Shirts, freaking, yeah, sick. Heaps of freaking merch. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. So these are the front ones. Obviously not as much concave, but still definitely up there. And these ones are the rears. That is so good. Alright, let's go get some tyres. So all the tyres are fitted up. We're rocking the Salins this weekend. Well, tomorrow night I should say. 265 35 18. And we're trying some new hyenas. Well, that's what Chop calls them anyway. Hayida? Is that right? Hayida. They're like a 265 200 treadwear street tyre, and their pattern, I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, pretty keen to see how these go. It'll be very interesting. Loving the GDR look of the rims though. They look freaking wicked. Can't wait to make the car look good again. This was for Drift Masters. That's no longer needed. Sorry, Motul. Chop's doing some work with the spacers. Just living the dream. Oh, these are for sale now too. These Advan rims. I'll be getting rid of them. And I can now point the camera in this direction of the shed because I'm not hiding anything anymore. And we're just waiting for a few things to dry on here, and then we're going to kick it in the guts. Pretty excited. Time to start it. We've got fuel back in it, and yep, let's just do it. Oh, and just so you guys do know, I have checked by cranking it, and I've got oil pressure up, so there's definitely oil pressure there already. Woo. She's freaking high. That's good. It's only at like 500 RPM. scissors. That's good. So I'll let this run warm up, and then I'll change all the oils, run through the gearbox, make sure that's all good. We might even do that now actually. Yeah, let's do that now. Alright, engine's up there. It's time to test my gearbox. Jeez, here we go. Oh. What way are they going?
Forwards. What's that?
Here we go. Still going forward?
Still going forward.
Alright, time for reverse. Here we go. Push down, cross, in.
Going backwards. What's that?
Hell. Yeah, that was a mistake. We freaking did it. Jesus. Well, that is, yeah, that's unreal. Everything's working as it should. The TPS isn't really registering. See, I'm revving that and it's not doing anything. That's a problem. Can't wait to go to electronic throttle because that is just giving me so much grief. That's a brand new TPS as well, and I recalibrated it. It's just freaking annoying. So now once it's got to, like, you know, a decent high temperature, I'm going to drain all the oils, gearbox, everything, and put all fresh stuff in, and we are good to go. We are going to be set for tomorrow night. We did it, guys. We freaking did it. Got the car warmed up. That's all sweet. The coolant's all bled up. Mint. Everything's working as it should. Chopper myself been playing around with the new wheel size on the front, just making sure it clears everything. But it's looking good. I've just drained the oil. Wanted to show you guys the oil out the gearbox. Now I should have cleaned this. I didn't actually clean the thing, so it's probably a bad representation of the oil that's in there just from warming it up. But yeah, there's metal everywhere, so I shouldn't have really shown you that. But that's all good. There's still a little bit of blue in it. I've got to get rid of that crap. And this is the engine oil that just come out. Even though it looks like the River Murray, it's actually not too bad. Now I did clean this one, and even though there is a few little metal bits, it's from up around the outside here. So I didn't clean it properly enough. But yeah, I think it'll be alright. Well, it has to be now. If there's any issues now, I'm going to find out tomorrow night. Hey Chop.
That's right, send it.
Yeah. You ready to see it? Good, huh? What are you doing, Chop? I think we're ready. We're ready to go. I just put some new stickers on here, there and everywhere. And yeah, obviously the car needs all new panels, but it's looking pretty good, isn't it? Just needs a wash.
Yep.
Then we're good to go. We'll load up in the morning and we'll head straight out to the bend. We did it. Chopping myself, didn't we?
Sure did, eh? Pretty good.
Can't believe it, to be honest. It's pretty crazy, but I guess the true test will be tomorrow when she's sitting on limiter. And you guys will be the first ones to find out how it goes. Nah, it's gonna be sweet. This is exciting. Oil pressure is very stable, seeing we did that little mod to it. What else do we do in the engine? Well, there's not a single leak, which is good. And because we had rear main seal leak. Clutch is all good. We bled that again. Chop made a new radiator hose for the top here, so it fits heaps better and the fan isn't even close to hitting it now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll call that a wrap. And we'll be back tomorrow, heading to the bend. It's gonna be a freaking good day. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you later.